Hi, just a really quick update video. About 3 weeks ago, I did a mail call video. It's mail call number 15, which I'll put a link in down below for. The beginning part of that, I talked about our annual spring cleanup. As you can see, was a big pile of stuff in the lobby of our office, and all of that was headed towards the dumpster because it was time to clean things up. If you look really carefully, I think you can spot the box that has the NuTone IM6106 master station in it, which was featured in my 200th video. Thanks, Vincent. It was headed towards the dumpster also, but I felt really bad about just throwing it away. It doesn't really have any usefulness to us, and it's a big box. It takes up a lot of shelf space, and I didn't really want to hang on to it, but I felt bad about throwing it out. So I had an idea. I took it all apart, and I took the main board out of it, and I sent it to Dave at the EEVblog in Australia, along with some other swag that I thought he would like. Yesterday, he featured it in his most recent mailbag episode, which here's a little clip of.
Hi, welcome to everyone's favourite segment, Mailbag. Let's get right into it. Thank you very much, Chris Peters from San Ramon in California. Thank you very much. Yeah, this might look weird on the x-ray maybe. I think that's it. Not sure why everything's got to be in an individual bag. Northern California Pirate Festival. Arr! Have I tied my bandana right? Everything's so thoroughly labelled. We've got the product information for a board. Stiff, wrapped in plastic. It's a NuTone. What's a NuTone? I have no idea. Let's take a closer look. 1990 vintage. Still rocking through hole. So Chris has been an authorised NuTone service centre for 32 years and has a YouTube channel, so I'll link that in down below. But anyway, this board was featured in his 200th video. It's a it's a prototype. But there you go. That is, it's all through hole, as I said, and right away, I forgot to open the product information packet. There it is. This looks like it's one of those ones you'll find in those dodgy, old school 1980s hotels, like an Intercom. This is a home intercom system. It's a large. Interesting. Thanks, Chris.
And I'll put a link down below so you can watch it on his site. You can see what happens to the board when it goes to Australia and hear what Dave has to say about it. That's all. See ya.